You know what my problem is, Medina? Lately, when I'm driving, I feel everyone has a super powerful light, and I'm the only one who's driving with the candle. Looks like I had two
with a candle.
Yes,
Okay.
I have had two old candle. I remember like the cars like in 1900s or whatever used to have an actually candle.
They were actually candles, no?
It was actually candle.
Oh my
So
God.
I need to replace
Crazy.
those candles. Candle lights in my car. And just give me a little intro, and then I have to do the introduction.
Okay. H11 LED Headlight Bulb.
LED. That's very important. Let's begin now. How are we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. And yes, Menina, this is one powerful LED for replacement of your halogen light.
Yes.
You know the good thing too? And over time, the halogen light, it loses power. You put it in, and after a year, maybe it will
It
lose
loses
less
power, right?
You feel like, what's going on with my lights? What's going on? This
They're
one
fading.
is LED and M. So, change camera, and let's go over some of the things, Menina.
Okay, these are H11 LED headlight bulbs. High power and best visibility. Excellent cooling fan. I think that's the coolest part of them.
Yes.
Besides the brightness.
Yeah, so let me show you here the full instructions, how to install it. And not only, Menina, I guess you can get all different models, H1, H3, but for us,
Yes.
we want the
H7, H1, they have, I think, everyone, yeah.
Yes, okay, keep going.
Okay, so you know what? It has a slim design and it's super easy to install, and you're gonna show that right now. It's IP68 weatherproof rate. It works underwater. Fan works even in extreme situations. Designed for using in heavy rains and other extreme weather too.
Yes, and very powerful. Just in case I want to show you one thing, what we're going to do, because one thing see in the car, but see it actually here, we can see better detailing, right? How the thing works. So what I want to do, I want to power this right in my bench. But what I want to show you something just in case you want the hot wire in the ground. If we look this way, so if you look in this way, you see the little tack over here. Just to let you know, that's your hot wire, all right? That's your plus, and that's your ground, all right? In case you're making a new adapter or something happen and you want to make sure, what is the hot wire here? But that's where it goes. So we put this up, all right? That's plus, that's minus. So we're going to power. What I'm going to do, because it's a real strong light, so we can at least see how the light works and we see the fan, I'm going to lower the voltage enough to be able to see. I'm going to put about 9 volts. That's very important too. This one goes all the way from 12 volts. Now, the light bulb, it works all the way from 9 volts all the way to 32 volts. All right, so we got to plug it in now. This is just real low voltage, and I'm putting up a lot of amps so I can see it, because these things will get real bright even to see it. Now, we can see here that we got the fan running. So to cool off, here we have an aluminum body to dissipate the heat. I'm guessing this will pick up a lot of heat. So that is real good, and they have a lot of wind. Now, there's 2 sides, so this will reflect into the part of the unit inside the headlight, and then it will reflect to the light. So what I'm going to do now, let's put that over here, and I'm going to power this up. And let me see if I shut the lights of the studio. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna give some power. Let's give some power to this. Now, after you see now, that's actually the 12 volts, and this is just bright. And if I look at it, it's unbelievable bright. You can see the effect on the camera. It's crazy. It's overwhelming, even the camera. Check that out. It's crazy how much light. This is super, super bright. Perfect for your car. I mean, not when you're
They
driving.
will see you from the moon.
No, I get pissed every time I drive. And everybody has this light. It's like, what's going on? What is so bright lately now? Well, that's why it's so bright.
And that's what it is.
So you can compete with the rest of the guys. So now, I mean, how we can get one of these things, one of these super replacement headlights.
You had to do is click the link below.
Yes, let me throw this off before I get blind. Look at it. All right, take care.